GG. Hi and welcome back to my video vlog. Olervo fucking intro. I think that was the shit. I'm gonna like rant about the shit. So today I went to the outside first time since like 11th of this month, and now it's like 31st. I mean, since 11th I went outside like the block like a little bit, but I haven't like bothered to like go anywhere like further that outside since 11th until today. Yeah, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Did I even have like social interactions like since like 11th or something? Low-key at one at least, but I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, like I went to the fucking escort. I went to the fucking escort. GG. So first I went to the Uber and I asked the guy that I know it's called taxi, but it's like more fun to call it Uber. Like I went with the Uber. I said the guy that can he like fucking exchange money if I pay him like $70, that can he give cash for that amount. Then he like said fucking no or something, and I fucking questioned him like, well, why is that like a fucking policy or something? I'm asking like the fucking systems fucking retarded ways that what they're like fucking doing. So the guy just fucking said that it's not like a policy or something, and fucking it's like personal take. Or then I said like fucking like whatever or something. Then like went to the fucking Cello shopping center and fucking got the fucking money. I said that I will look the fucking map where the fucking ATMs are at. So I said that I knew like where a few of the ATMs are, but fucking like fucking I didn't like know like where all of them are, or didn't remember where all of them are around there. So he like said that there's like one close to the where the buses are, like on the station side. So I fucking went there, and I said to the guy that can you fucking like wait in the car until I come back, I'm gonna pay you. Then he said like something like no, otherwise you gotta like leave your phone inside or something. Then I was like fuck him, and then I like paid him, and then went to the fucking ATM, got the fucking $70 and then came back, toss in my fucking hand. I walked to the another like taxi, which was like pretty close from there, like maybe like 100 meters away or something. Then I went to the escort fucking location, which was in Perka. So went fucking there. And I was like 1 minute earlier than when it was the time. That was like at the fucking front of the house, or I think it was that, but it was at least like the exact time when it was about to be at like front of the house. Then I said like I'm here or something, and then like she gave the fucking code, and I went inside the fucking door. And I'm gonna now from now on every time like write the code instantly. Or like I mean if she doesn't say it on the phone, then I don't have to write up, but otherwise gotta like always write up if it's like from phone call. I gotta write the code every time, cause in that case, cause if the code is wrong, like then I can fucking show everyone that it's fucking wrong, the code. Fucking retarded fucking trash. I don't care to have the fucking like the face to fall down on the vlog. It's like fucking kind of cancer, like you have to like hold the fucking phone, like show like fucking certain direction. It's like so fucking cancer. Cancer fucking trash. Prefer to do like just like fucking gameplays where the camera stays in the fucking same spot on the fucking same time all the fucking time. But anyways, I went to the shit, she gave the code, I went inside the fucking place. There was like some weird smell inside the first floor. I don't know what it fucking was about, or I don't know what was that smell there. Was it like only cigarettes or weed or something? I don't fucking know. There was weird like a smell there in the first stairwell. It was kind of like a little bit hard to breathe there. Then like fucking like she said like some fucking like 111 like fucking like apartment number, I mean. So I fucking went there then. But like fucking like I didn't know like how high was the fucking building, so it's kind of like retarded that she only said that only like 111 like the apartment number. She didn't say the floor or anything. Like I asked her like the fucking apartment number after she said the fucking like 111 apartment number, and then she still said only the apartment number 111. So then I had to look like through all of the fucking like, I don't know, maybe I'm pretty sure I looked at the nameplate on the wall. I don't think it fucking said that you could like fucking like see the numbers from that. You could have to look in every individual fucking door, I'm pretty sure, that to see like the apartment number. So I like look at the fucking shits, and like the fucking 111 was on the second floor, so I like found the fucking number, and it's fucking pretty retarded that like shit that they don't tell like the fucking like the floor, especially if it's like around like 5 floors fucking like apartment building or higher, cause it's gonna be like possibly like so cancer to find a certain number apartment if they don't tell the fucking floor. It's like so fucking retarded. Anyways, got to the fucking place and then like just like said to her that I'm gonna take the clothes off, cause the like it's like hot like inside, probably cause summer, and she probably didn't even have fucking air conditioning anyways. So I took all of the clothes off other than like socks and underwear. I mean I took underwear of course off, cause I was gonna have fucking sex, so of course I'm gonna take the underwear off, but I was having the underwear like less like lower than like fucking fucking genital area or something, so. And the fucking socks were like fucking, like still, I had the socks still fucking on. I still had the fucking socks on. Then I like did like I said like do like deep throat or something. She did that like some amount of time, and then fucking like after that I fucking did what else did I fucking do, like fucking like she did that some amount of, maybe I got like hard a little bit, then fucking what else did I do? Then she like did like what is it fucking called? It's called like cowgirl style, like she did like that a little bit maybe or something. But I wasn't like, I don't know, I was only getting a little bit hard of the deep throat only. I don't know like what it was. Probably have like some like erectile dysfunction shit at least, unfortunately. I guess I'm like forced to use like Viagra at age 23 odd. I guess this is it, I think, like, or 22 already. Like last year I had this craziness already, like with the not getting hard like shit, like at the escort. I mean, part of it is the fact that it's like they forced to use condoms, and if it's thicker the condom, they were hardest to feel anything. So that's why you should use the thinner condoms always. Back to this, like you can't feel anything, like without like erectile dysfunction bullshit. Like back to this fucking craziness again. Fucking retarded, fucking trash. I guess I gotta use like Viagra every time or something if I go to like escort or like anything. There's nothing you can do. At least if you have like sex without like with condom or something, you gotta have like Viagra every time or something. I guess I have to like do that or something, cause it's like I can't get hard or something. Then I did like doggy style after that fucking like shit. After that shit, and I did like few minutes or something. That's the first time I ever done the sex myself, and I did like pretty fucking well or something. My like dick like fell out maybe like once out or something, but I did like that like fucking like few minutes at least, like pretty fucking properly, at least average amount well. Like I did the fucking doggy style fuck pretty fucking well. Keep in mind that, like I said, that was the first time I ever had like did myself the sex or something, so I did it like pretty fucking well for a few minutes or something, like doggy style regular fuck, so that was pretty fucking good. That was pretty fucking good, to be honest. I did that pretty fucking well. I was actually fucking impressed even of myself. I did that like pretty well. Just gotta like make sure that it's your like fucking dick is not gonna fall out the fucking pussy or some shit like that. You just gotta keep it like fucking far enough that it's not gonna keep falling out like all the time. So that's the small mistake I'm probably made. That's probably my fault, that shit, but other than that, I think it was like pretty cool. I think that part, but unfortunately I couldn't get like hard. There's only 15-minute session like the other ones before, 2 ones before. So can't like fucking do anything. Can't do fucking anything. Can't do fucking anything. Can't do fucking anything. But I don't know. I have to like start using like Viagra at least or something like that. I can like be able to finish someday. Like if I like. It's like maybe like struggling to maintain being hard. It's like something like that, or at least struggling to finish. That's like those are like my problems. So I probably have like erectile dysfunction at least, probably, unfortunately. So I have to probably start using like Viagra or some bullshit like that, probably, I think. So I don't know what has caused that. Is it like lack of sex, or is it only cause of the watching porn or something? I don't know, or both. I don't know. There's probably many reasons which could cause it. I don't understand, like, I don't have any, like, I went recently, like a month ago, to the blood test or something, like, I don't have any, like, fucking illnesses at least, so I don't know, like, what it's fucking about. I don't know what the craziness is, like, about, again. But there's, like, literally, like, nothing I did like, wrong. That like, time again, like, I went there to have like sex. Again, it's like nothing wrong. Like I did all that again well as I could, but there's like nothing you can fucking do if you have some fucking retarded like erectile dysfunction or something. There's nothing you can fucking do. Yeah, there's like nothing you can fucking do. It is what it fucking is. Like, just fucking get on some fucking Viagra, fucking crying, or some fucking other fucking bullshit, some shit like that, or both. Like something like that you have to fucking do. There's nothing else you can fucking do. It is fucking what it fucking is. It is fucking what it is. Back to the erectile dysfunction craziness again, unfortunately. Back to the incel craziness again. That's what I'm trying to do least as possible, because I'm gonna go at least often as I can and want to. I'm gonna go to escorts always. If none of these other bitches are gonna do anything, then gotta just keep going to like escorts like often as you can. That's the wave. Because this incel life is not it. If you have a sex drive, it is not. Unless you wanna become extremely depressed and go insane and shit like that, you know. But of course, there's some of those people who have like sex drive who prefer masturbating alone and over having sex, but that's not my cup of tea, you know. I prefer to have like sex over masturbating alone, isolate 24/7, but that's just my take on it. That's my take on it. That's my fucking take on it. Take on me. Take on me. Best thing in the world. I wasn't even trying to like do it for super loud, cause this like noise cancellation of this fucking apartment is trash. So maybe if I was in studio or good apartment, noise cancellation I could like then like sing proper volume, so that it's not gonna be too loud for the neighbors. It's not about the fact that how good we're singing voices. I just don't like to like do it like so loud. Like if the noise cancellation is trash, like there's like other people living in the fucking building, like holy shit. Like holy shit. But of course there's those like asshole people who are like don't like care about anything. They don't care about the neighbors or something. But I don't wanna fucking be that like person. Like I never want to be the fucking person. You know, so yeah. GG. But third 15-minute session with condom. I don't know what condom. I think she probably put on the condom that was my like thin one or something, but I'm not like 100% fucking sure. Or maybe she like put on some other one. She first at least put on the mine on condom, but then like she fucking put like the, I don't know what she put on after that, but like maybe it was my one still, the other one or something. I don't fucking know. Like fucking. Anyways, I don't know. But couldn't get hard like I mean, I got like hard like a little bit, I think, at the beginning at least, the third time. And second time I went to escort, I also got hard a little bit in that time too. First time I went to escort, I didn't like get hard at all, yeah, low-key. And all of them will be like 50-minute sessions. And first time they forced me to use like the thick condom, and I said that I couldn't use my own thin condom, yeah. And then this current and escort time, I used like the own condom. She put that on like first like my own one, and then I don't know what like after that like what condom she put on, cause there came like some issue that she couldn't use that like my own condom one. I don't know why it like didn't work. I don't know what it was about. I tried to ask her, but she didn't like say like explanation. Yeah, I don't know. And then like she like put the other condom on, like some like my old one again, the thin one, or maybe she put the other one. I didn't fucking look, cause I didn't fucking care at the moment. And then but like three failed escort experiences, but at least all of them those times I at least got to have sex, so that's better than nothing, yeah. And second and third try times I was able to at least get hard at least once, so that's like good at least, better than nothing there. So can't get on the micro grinder or something like that, so can like someday maybe be able to have like a successful experience someday. Something like that's the only way for this retarded bullshit fucking nonsense. There's no other fucking solutions, probably. We don't want to talk anything about like dating or escorts or like I'm like losing my mind. Do I want to talk anything else about dating or sex or escort experience or that travel that I made right there? Do I want to talk anything else about those things? I mean, like I was thinking that I maybe might do the vlog or something. I was coming back from the shit, but I just like didn't bother to do it. All I could have done that. You know, like I've never had like a fear of like recording in public. I've never had that, you know, but it's just more been about the fact that I just haven't bothered many times to like record in public or something, cause I don't know, I just like don't care to like do it sometimes. Or more the most time at least, I would say, unless I'm like doing something cool or unless I'm like traveling inside the country or unless I'm traveling out the country. If I'm not doing anything like that, I don't like bother to do like the vlogs. So I think like other than that, it's like unlikely that other than those cases, it's like unlikely that I bother to like do like vlogs outside like in public. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So then I came to home to do the vlog or something. So it is fucking what it is. It is fucking what it is. It is fucking what it is. It is fucking GG. It is GG. It is fucking GG. It is GG. It is GG. It is GG. But yeah, there's so many things that unfortunately I can't know the truth about. I wish I knew the truth about everything. So would suffer the least in this world and universe or whatever the fuck. Unfortunately, you can know the truth about consciousness and what started this world, I think, right? Yeah, and then what else can't you know the truth about? Is life scripted or not? That's unfortunately, you can't know the truth about neither. Unfortunately, yeah. Max, like all of the elites, can like know the truth about all of those things, I think, yeah, probably. Would be cool to like know the truth about everything, but honestly, can know the truth about everything, cause the elites hide a lot of truth from us, at least. Fucking world is piece of shit. Is there like anything else I wanna talk about the topics that I should talk about, or like the similar topics, or is there like any other topics I wanna talk about in this vlog? Let's think. No, I think so, yeah.